Very good morning from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk European morning briefing for today, Friday the 19th of August. Starting then with the European equities, we saw a continuation of the downward spiral this morning, taking up some key levels on the way. The FTSE breaking 5,000 points, the CAC 3,000, the DAX 5,400. They took some stops on the way, and there was an increase in volatility on the back of that. The financial sector again coming under some particular scrutiny. At one point, RBS shares were down 10% here in London. There's also some market talk in the UK press that Barclays may undergo a rights issue. It's worth of note also, it is the August options expiry across many of the indices today. Looking towards fixed income, there has been a further uptick in the Bund this morning, breaking the 136 level to the upside. Taking a look at the 10-year government bond yield spreads, the Greek spread has been the widest in the Eurozone today, amid continued speculation that other countries will ask for collateral in regards to bailout loans. Also, there is some further market talk, which we have seen all week, of the ECB's securities market programme back in buying Italian and Spanish paper, particular focus on the Italian 5-year there, so keep an eye on the Italian spread over bunds. Taking a look towards the currency space, the US Fed last night announced that the S&P had tapped it for $200 million, so we'll be keeping a close eye out on the Swissy. It has been strengthening in trade in Europe this morning, and we'll keep a close eye out for any further announcements on the S&P or the Swiss government. Moving towards the energy complex, at one point WTI crude futures were down $3, breaking the 80 level to the downside. But as with the rest of the European session, there's been a slight bounce in sentiment toward the back end, and we will be keeping a close eye out for how the US participants enter the market later on. In terms of data for today, for the rest of the session, there's no Tier 1 data out of the US. There is the weekly equity numbers, and there is the Canadian CPIs. There is just worth of note, there are several Fed speakers out throughout the session. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day and a great weekend.